You guys, so to recap yesterday, we talked about a couple of different things with angles. Okay, so real quick, types of angles. This should be a review from elementary school. We've got three types of angles. Acute, which is any angle that is less than 90 degrees. Right, which is an angle that equals 90 degrees. And then obtuse, so that's any angle that is larger than 90 degrees. And you got some examples over here to the right, okay? Now, we also talked about yesterday angle relationships, okay? And we focused on this first type yesterday, which is vertical angles. So to review that, vertical angles are any pair of angles that are across from each other when two lines cross. So here I've got two lines that are crossing. A and B are vertical angles to each other because they are across from each other. Miss Reed down the hall, she taught me last year actually that we sometimes like to call these kissing angles because it looks like they are kissing. Okay, so if that helps you remember vertical angles, you them kissing angles. So A and B would be vertical to each other. B and C would be vertical to each other. 1 and 3 are vertical to each other. 4 and 2. And what's special about vertical angles is that they always have the same angle measure. So they are equal to each other. And yesterday we spent a lot of time solving for missing vertical angles. So you just make them equal to each other to be able to solve, okay? Today, we are focusing on complementary angles, okay? We introduced these yesterday, but we're gonna review. So complementary angles are any angles that add up to equal a right angle, aka 90 degrees, okay? What you need to remember about complementary, aka right angles, is that they make an L shape, okay? So I could have this right angle. It could also be facing the other way, okay? Think of it as like half of a square or an L shape, okay? So these would be complementary angles because they add up to equal 90 degrees, 30 and 60. Same down here, 50 and 40. Those are complementary angles to each other. They're complementary to each other. So they add up to equal 90 degrees. Sorry. And to solve for missing complementary angles, you're going to take what it gives you and set them equal to 90. So you're adding what it gives you together, set it equal to 90, and then solve. And guess what? That is what we are going to be doing today.